Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rent a car on the Opodo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the search button and click on the cars icon in the middle of the screen. After that, you should type in your pickup location, type it into the search bar, select it, then set the date, the pickup and return date, tap on continue, set the driver's age, and tap on search for cars. Here you can find the available options. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, then click on the button continue. Tap on add and continue to add the insurance. Then you should add the driver details, including name, email address, phone number, country, address line, and then you can proceed to check out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.